Just say you do, girl. My baby, just say you do. I'm in that oh love, just say you do.
Baby, I twist
my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Aminata, aka Cherry. You're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notification bell on. That way, whenever I post another video, you will always get a notification from me. If you are a return subscriber, hey hon, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today's video, I am going to show you guys how I normally make my shea butter whipped cream at home. Okay, then let's go straight into the video and let me show you guys how to achieve this. So yeah guys, this is everything I am going to be using for this video. So here's my mixing bowl. I'm going to be mixing my shea butter, and I also have my oils here. This is like all the oils I'm going to be using. You really don't have to use this much oil, you know. I'm just like using this because this one's actually works for my skin and my hair, and that's of my daughter as well. And here's my extra virgin olive oil. Here is just like to give it a little bit kind of flavor, just like that smell, you know. I love to smell good, so I always like find something to like mix it up with. And I also have essential oils here, and here is my African shea butter. And also these are like empty containers. These are like the ones we were using, but they finished already. As you guys can see, you can like tell, look how we actually clean up the bottle. And I'm also going to be using coconut oil. This is organic coconut oil. As you can see, I already use this. I normally use this to like make my lip glosses as well. Yeah, I make my own lip gloss. So I'm gonna open up my shea butter now. I'll probably just make everything today because it's not that much left in there. So I'm just like going to make everything today. I don't have much left in there. And I'm going to use another spoon to get a few scoops of my coconut oil. See? So now that I have my shea butter, and coconut oil together, I'm just going to have this sit in the pot because I already have water boiling. So I'm just like going to have this bowl sit right here. So as you guys can see, the shea butter and coconut oil loosen up a little bit. So I'm about to like bring this out now. So now that I have both oils mixed together, I'm now going to use the mixer and just like mix it up. And yeah guys, just so you know, this hair gets really messy, so you have to like really careful when you're doing this, or else this whole thing will be all over the place. Here is my extra virgin oil. So I'm gonna grab a spoon and just like 2 spoons of this. Just look it up right here. I'm going to use my black Castro Jamaican oil. Just use 2 spoons of this. And I'm using my sweet almond oil. And now I'm using my vitamin E oil. And I'm going to use my cinnamon oil. And I'm using my avocado oil. This one works for my skin like magic. Okay, close it up, put it aside. And I'm using my peppermint oil. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. Oh, I'm just using like two of this. It's enough. And now I'm using my essential oils. And by the way, this one is called Clear Saggy. Right here, Clear Saggy. And I'm just going to put just like little bit drops of this. That's enough. Put it right here. And I'm also using the sweet dreams. You know, like I said, I'm extra. Always doing extra stuff. No, I'm using the other one. I'm supposed to use this one. Yeah, now I'm using the mixed berry flavoring oil. I don't think you guys can see this because the label faded away already, so you really can't see. This one is from like TKB. So yeah, now I have all my oils together. I'm going to use my mixer again and just mix it up. See, it's like really. So I'm just like gonna have this sit in the freezer for probably 20 minutes, and I'll like bring it out again and just like mix it one more time, and that's it. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, I already have like my shea butter in the freezer. I'm waiting for it to like form to the texture I'm actually looking for. But whilst I'm waiting, I'm going to like wash these bottles. I am going to reuse them. I don't have money to get new ones. I only use them for like one time. So yeah, I'm going to wash them and I will reuse them. Hopefully this one lasts us just like for a long time because I don't know when this whole thing is gonna end. Shea butter to like make a new one just in case this one finish. So hopefully this two last us for like a long time. Hey guys, I'm back. I already washed them. Look, it looks new, right? So it makes no sense to go get a new one. I'm about to use this once again. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm still waiting for all my shea butter to like foam, but I am about to like go bring it out of the freezer and just like round up with the whole process. So yeah, I'll see ya. So yeah guys, I finally bring it out of the freezer and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to use my mixer one more time and I'll just transfer it into my empty container. Yep, that's it guys. We're done with the mixing process right here. As you can see, I'm done with the mixing process now, so I'm just like going to transfer this into the empty bottles I showed you guys earlier. So yeah guys, this is how it looks like after the final mixing. This is exactly how it looks like. So I'm about to like just use a spoon and transfer it into the bottles. So yeah guys, just stay tuned. So I'm going to use my spoon and just like this. I'm gonna fill up. So I'm gonna fill up the other bottle as well. So as you guys can see, I have way more than I'm supposed to. So I have to like look for something else and transfer the rest of this. So yeah guys, let me just like try to clean up this whole place and I will come back and show you guys. So yeah guys, I'm finally done. This is like the finished look. It looks so smooth and this smells really nice and it looks expensive too. Let me show you. Look how smooth this is. And look how this look on my skin. It looks so smooth, shiny, and the smell is like ooh. And yeah guys, it's not only for your skin, you can use it for your skin and your hair. So how good that is, you know. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you all back in another video. Until then, peace out.